Ver Gradam Kyoilshaw, TJ Cahar, Ahentis than Codges Fire, the Yeagris, Agus Dalian Tuck Lockyoy, Agus Tashid Il Kinyalach, Il Danach, Marwakle. Is Kinche Gulieri and Sar Weishtrak, agus Gashki Kyoy, one of Field Marshal Montgomery, no Lochana, a small tower the Cudge, Landradam Kyoilshaw. Agus is Owley, is Sevre, Agus is Gilla, Kyoil tradition in the Heron, and Banashaw P. Beve in their mask. Guravad the Buanade. Jargig Earshaw.
The band was formed around 1946, just after the Second World War. People in the townland of Drumalig got together to form a pipe band. Because Field Marshal Montgomery was a hero, they thought of naming the band after him. And I believe that he sent a donation to the band of 10 shillings. My involvement with Field Marshal started in the late 60s, early 70s, when the band that I started in, called Rafferty, amalgamated with Field Marshal. And in 1976, the band that reformed in its own right, and the band has risen up through the grades, and myself and my brother took over around 1980-81. When we first won the World Championships, the band developed a sound of its own that was sort of modelled on maybe the Strathclyde Police sound from previous years, but it was really our own sound. It's excellent for the band to have been given this award from Gradam Cool. It's always been my ambition that the pipe band music would become more accepted within the traditional community and the community itself. Both myself and the band will be very excited to play at the award ceremony. I mean, to play to the who's who of traditional music will be unbelievable for us. And there's one person who started the band off and mortgaged his house for the band to get their uniforms, and his name is Billy Maxwell, and he was the former president of the band. He passed away a few years ago, so it'd be a great honour for him to be looking down and see us gaining this award tonight.
Richard, I'm really delighted to give you the special award from TJ Cahar to yourself and the band. Richard deserved.
Thank you. We're delighted to be here this evening and for pipe bands to be welcomed into the traditional music scene. Our son and Field Marshal Montgomery, Guru Bila Mahagut.